Ready to level up your iPhone gaming experience with the comfort and precision of a Nintendo Switch Pro controller. First, unlock your iPhone and navigate to the Settings app. It's the gray icon with the gears. Tap on it to open your iPhone settings. Once inside Settings, scroll down until you find Bluetooth. It's usually near the top, and tap on it. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on if the switch next to Bluetooth is gray. Tap it to turn it green. This makes your iPhone discoverable. Now, grab your Nintendo Switch Pro controller. Locate the small sync button on the top edge, near the USB-C port. Press and hold the sync button for a few seconds until the small lights around the home button start flashing rapidly. This indicates the controller is in pairing mode. Back on your iPhone, under the Bluetooth settings, look for Nintendo Switch Pro controller appearing under other devices. It might take a few seconds to show up. Once you see Nintendo Switch Pro controller listed, tap on it. Your iPhone will attempt to connect. After a moment, the status next to Nintendo Switch Pro controller should change to connected. The lights on your Pro controller will also stabilize, indicating a successful connection. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy your favorite iOS games with the superior control of your Nintendo Switch Pro controller. If you have any problems, try restarting your iPhone or resetting your controller. Happy gaming!